Melissa here with Epson LabelWorks. Today I wanted to introduce you to our newest heat shrink tube, the 203 YLs. We are replacing our existing 1/8 inch or 3mm shrink tube, the 203 B20s, for this new and improved material. I'm always telling you that we at Epson LabelWorks listen to the customer feedback, and this supply change came directly from your feedback. You asked for a shrink tube that could shrink down to a smaller internal diameter, and we listened. The 203 YL is your new and improved 3mm heat shrink tube. The YLs are less rigid, more flexible, it's just as durable as the supply it's replacing, and of course, it has the high print quality that you've come to expect from Epson. Again, this supply is our smallest 3mm or 1/8 inch heat shrink tube. It's available in black on white or black on yellow, and the 3:1 shrink ratio didn't change. The new YL supplies have an internal diameter of 1.1 millimeter before being shrunk down. It has a flat width of 3.4 millimeters inside and 4.2 millimeters outside. This supply is ideal for wire diameters of 1.1 to 2.9 millimeters, which is AWG 16 to 22. So that's the rundown on our new 203 YL heat shrink tube. Go check them out, I know you're gonna love it. If you have questions about this supply, any others, or want to chat about your labeling application, give us a call, we would love to chat with you. Thanks again, and happy labeling.